Voila! Welcome to the effortless security upgrade video, showcasing the Vase fingerprint door lock with 2 lever handles. Customers rave about the ease of installation with illustrated instructions, the simplicity of use, and the high-quality practical lock set. Let's dive into the key features that make this lock a standout product. Customers praise the flawless performance of the lock, highlighting the smooth mechanism, deadbolting functionality, and flawless fingerprint recognition. The lock's sleek appearance and compatibility with existing door hardware are also commended. Let's explore why customers find this lock both reliable and visually appealing. Experience the convenience of the fingerprint functionality, described as responsive and easy to set up. Customers appreciate the secure touch lock and the hassle-free fingerprint open feature. Discover why this smart door deadbolt device is a favorite among homeowners seeking modern security solutions. Unlock peace of mind with the Vase fingerprint door lock, a reliable and affordable investment for your home security needs. Customers find the lock easy to use with multiple login codes and personalized entry options. Explore why this lock is a top choice for those seeking a secure and convenient entry solution. Join the satisfied customers who appreciate the keyless convenience of the lock, eliminating the need for traditional keys. Discover the ease of operation, heavy-duty quality, and sleek design that make this lock a top choice for modern homes. Experience the blend of security and convenience that defines the Vase fingerprint door lock. Please click the link in the description below to get more discount and detail of the product. Cheers!